What's up, party people? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to 2007 Toyota Tundra. Let's go ahead and get this radio out so we can put this Pioneer radio in. First thing we want to do is open up this big old right there, the center console box. Next, you want to, I used my panel remover tool earlier, but this whole thing has to come out. It is only held in by clips. Boom. Now this is for if you have the console shifter. Oh dang, speaking of console shifter, you want to go ahead and twist that off. This thing twists like this. Boom. Pull that joker off like that. Next thing you want to do, press up. Well, pull up. Can't really press up. Pull up on this right here. And we want to take the key. And we want to stick this in the lowest position so it'll actually come up and out, and boom. And we only have one harness right behind here that we're just gonna take that out like that. So now that that's off, I was able to take this out. Fire! Only held in by clips, of course. That was right up on the bottom. Next, we should be able to do the exact same thing. Fire! To the AC. Now of course that goes behind that, so this part will come up a little bit, and now we're stuck with not a dang thing. Alright, so this is the bad part about, well, just to go ahead and let y'all know, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the install, but just to let y'all know, man, there's supposed to be some factory brackets in here that you would take 4 10mm bolts out of. This ain't got that, so this is just gonna slide out, and boom, a freaking rat's nest. Pitiful, pitiful, pitiful. I did not know that I was gonna see this behind here. Oh, but either way, guys, that's how you take the factory radio out. Now let me try to figure some stuff out real quick, and I'll come back at y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so that's it. I had to do a whole lot of hard wiring, and the client is probably not gonna be the most happy about. Let's put that last piece back on. Put this on right here. Uh-oh. Guide finger, use the guide finger. Boom. Alright. But yeah, man, that's it. That's what it looks like. I will have all the links of the parts that you guys need in the description, because there are a couple different types of dash kits that you can use for this. I like to use this one. The HG stands for high gloss, usually comes in the black. But I'll put all those links down there on what you need, harness, dash kit, everything. If you guys find any value on how to take this radio out, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff at the bottom. Subscribe for more. Hit the notification so you guys don't miss anything. Until next time, it's JP signing out.